UDBox 5G Setup and Unboxing. Let's start unboxing. Open the box. You will see a certificate of compliance. Remove the top cover. Remove the Ethernet cable. Remove the white box. Contains a power adapter, plug and cable all neatly packed. Remove the UDBox 5G. 2 IF and RF ports on front with LED indicators, and external ports on the back. LED indicators. When powered on, lock should turn red. CH1, CH2 state determined by the TMYTEK Lab app. White means transmitting a 10 MHz source to sync other device clocks. 100 MHz clock LED. White equals transmit, blue equals receive. Set up the UDBox 5G series platform. Select the right plug and attach it to the power adapter. Connect the power cable. Power cable goes to the Type-C port. Plug in the power adapter. Connect your device to the RF ports using 2.4mm coaxial cables or adapters, and to the IP port using 2.92mm coaxial cables or adapters. Connect your PC to the LAN port via an Ethernet cable. Connect the 100 MHz in/out port to another UDBox via an SMA cable. Sync 10 MHz output to other equipment's 10 MHz input with BNC cable. Power on the UDBox 5G. Blue indicates it's on. TMYTEK Lab Kit Software Operating Instructions. Download, install TMYTEK Lab and click top icon. Input RF and IF frequencies. Select LSI/HSI for LO and click Save. Select bandwidth. Input frequency turns yellow to warn of harmonic bands. Toggle to select reference source. Enjoy exploring your UDBox 5G. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.